Welcome back to Motech Performance. You join us this week as we take an extensive look over our week within the workshop.
So as you know, we're filming a lot of what we do in the week, and one of the things that sometimes springs up and bites in the butt is being able to do work off the cuff pretty quickly. This week we got a phone call from G Technique saying, can you do anything and help us this week? We're desperate to get this Corvette done. They need it done by Thursday. Today's Tuesday. They rang us yesterday, so we have to put the G80 on the ramp. That's actually in for the week, which we'll pick up on shortly, and then all jump onto this. And in the weather of today, it is hard work. But fair play to Lucas, he has smashed it out. We had this Corvette. If you can see, we're still busy working. This Corvette in for the day in the bay. It had to be done. The Corvette is actually for a Le Mans winning driver. We'll put his profile up here. Oliver Gavin, he's won 51 races for Corvette. This is their demonstrator car along with Corvette UK, and it's needed for the British Grand Prix. The car was sitting at the docks for 100 days and had some marks onto it. Wait till you see the colour and combo on this. Come on, Rory, show them this. This is stunning. This car at the F1 where they're doing fast laps in it is going to look unreal. Take a look at this. So on to one of the other jobs in this week. Behind me is a fire red M340i. You don't actually see this colour a lot, and it is amazing, especially on a day like today, which pretty much is fire outside. It is blindingly hot. Now sitting on IBAC springs with the Snitzer front, sides and rear spoiler. Rear spoiler has been painted black to match the roof rails. We would recommend that, especially on a car like this with those roof rails, just adds that sort of bit of detail and keeps the design flowing. Wheel-wise, customers opted for carbon grey MW1s, 8.5 front, 9.5 rear by 20 inch, absolutely stunning. Real nice upgrade, drives really well on this tyre setup as well. TPMS all code ready for the car, no lights on the dashboard on. Also gone for the 3-part centre cap. Last thing we fitted to it was the bumper protection strip. These really just transform how the bumper looks, and of course it protects. They have a funny little ledge, as we all know. Being a touring, this just ties it in. This to me is one of the best 340i's we have done. Let me know what you think. Would you change the spec? For me, perfect, 10-10. Let's get it outside and enjoy the B-roll. Also in this week, we have something where it pretty much started. This is an M140 BMW. These are brilliant, kind of rare to see a standard one now, an unmodified car. Sitting behind me now on our spring kit, 25 front, 20mm rear. This is a kit designed and made via iBack for us. It's a version of their Pro Kit, slightly bigger drops onto it though, paired up with B8 dampers. These cars are getting a bit old now, so it's time to refresh the dampers when doing the springs for that ultimate performance. Car handles a load better. The original suspension is so weak on these cars, as in just weakly made. It's basically a 125D setup thrown on a car. That is not very good, so it kind of does this as you're going down the road. Drop it down means it's going to be a lot more planted, less roly-poly, and of course it looks a lot better, paired up with 12 and 15mm spacers. Now the spring kits, we don't sell as many as we used to, but as of total, I think we've done about 1,600 of these over the last 8 years. M135i, 235i, 140 and 240. What a setup, and I love seeing these come back through the door. In for detail this week, we had this 2025 G80 M3 finished in twilight purple, an individual colour, absolutely stunning. Interior as well, it's also an individual. It is the Tortuga brown leather. It's quite a nice combo on this, certainly striking. Car's done between 8,000 and 9,000 miles, so it's a bit of a job to this. We do really recommend getting the car detailed and protected when they're newer. It saves Lucas less work and less stress, but he's done an amazing job on this. Car is completely head to toe covered in G-Technique, Crystal Serum Ultra, which will give it a 9-year protection. That's including windows, glass, wheels, car mats, paintwork, plastics, exhaust tailpipe trims. You get the picture. This is beautiful. And Kurt's going to wind me up for saying this one, but I really think this is 10-10 for a standard car. Let's get it outside and enjoy the B-roll. So that finishes off a busy week in the heat here at Motech. Finishing off one of the last jobs before it leaves us is this. G81 finished in Marina Bay Blue. I had to think about that. Now sitting on 80 snits of front springs, there's about a 15 to 20mm drop. Very OEM, very compliant, looks how it should have done the whole time. Fitted up with 10 and 12mm spacers, finished in black to mimic the wheel, actually makes them look a bit deeper, and the carbon arch guards just to stop the stone chips down the side. Customers also opted for the 80 snits of protection strip across the boot, although it's not fitted yet because the car's actually leaving from here today to go to PPF. So that gives you an idea of what we can do in a week. That's shown you everything from exhausts, detailing, fitting a suspension, wheel spacers, and of course wheels. It's been a bit of a different vlog, should work out well with Rory's magic edit, but let us know if you think you like this style of vlog compared to what we normally do. Please comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you soon.